Hello, welcome to the Vocal Doctor. I am the Vocal Doctor. My name is Stephanie Derrick, and I teach at my business called Heavenly Sounds Piano and Voice Studio. I'm so glad that you have come to my page. If you are here, that means that you are looking for something that will benefit you as a singer. You stopped at the right place today. So what I want to tell you is my course has been taken from all of my students that I've taught over 27 years here at Heavenly Sounds in this studio. And now I'm the vocal doctor because now I have over 27,000 hours of expert advice to give a new student. If you are a shower singer, if you are a beginner singer, if you are a seasoned singer or a professional singer, doesn't matter what level, all of this advice and tips can help you. So what this course will be covering are these things. Why we take voice lessons, demonstrations of 5 common vocal problems, breathing techniques, discussing vowel sound, vocal warm-ups, how-tos and tips and tricks, and the body parts of the voice. All of my videos are simple and easy to follow. These are tried and true tips. And if you follow them the way that I have explained, you will be successful. I hope that you enjoy my course. Tell someone, share with someone, anyone who wants to be a better singer. Just share this information with them. Let them know the course exists. So you now may click down below and get started.